Let us discuss on the job role of production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredient or bulk drug. Who is production machine operator? The production machine operator is responsible for operating the machines following good manufacturing practices for the manufacturing or packaging of bulk drugs or active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is API. The job holder performs basic in-process quality checks to verify that the quality parameters are met for batch manufacturing or continuous manufacturing. He or she also generates the critical records for every activity performed in compliance with data integrity rules. Let us discuss about the duties and responsibilities performed by production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredient, bulk drug. A machine operator is responsible for various day-to-day functions from setup and loading to operating machinery with efficiency. They ensure that the machine's performance allows every aspect of production to run smoothly. They are responsible for monitoring, maintaining, and operating equipment. They are responsible for cleaning and quality checking of their machinery to ensure everything works as it should. Further, in production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredients, you will have an option of two specializations. The first one is non-sterile manufacturing or non-sterile packaging, and the second one is sterile manufacturing and packaging. And it is compulsory to choose at least one specialization out of these. If you are already specialized in one of these, you may choose the other specialization too. In some industries, they even prefer dual specialization, means you will have an option to do two courses at one. Now, you might think, after completing this course, in which industries you can work with? Let me answer to this question. After completing this course, you can enter into life sciences industry, food processing industry, agriculture industry, nutraceutical industry, pharmaceutical industries, or other allied industries as well. Now, let us discuss about advantages for production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredient or bulk drug as your career. Choosing production machine operator as your career comes with lots of advantages, like it is a prestigious job role where you become a key member as first line of defense against any pandemic or disease control and save a human life. It is an opportunity to progress forward for an operator to head of manufacturing or even own a manufacturing business. It provides a healthy, safe and clean working environment. It is not a field job, so anyone interested to operate from one location prefers this job role. It is an opportunity to get exposed to most advanced and automated systems in pharma manufacturing, as pharma is always first to adopt the automation. In this you will get a decent salary package. And the educational background you need to join this course will be 10th class or ITI or a certificate of NSQF level 3 manufacturing and packaging assistant life sciences with minimum 2 years of relevant experience or D Pharma. Further, as a production machine operator API, a person will be expected to perform the following functions, like to adhere with environment, health and safety guidelines in a production facility and GMP controlled area, to ensure a hygienic and clean work area to avoid contamination, to coordinate and communicate with supervisor, production chemist, teams and auditors, to maintain compliance with good manufacturing practices and other regulations, to perform a pre-production check and preparation of machines, reporting and documentation with data integrity, to perform non-sterile API manufacturing, primary packaging operations, to perform sterile bulk drug, API manufacturing and primary packaging operations. Now, let us discuss about the basic job skills required for production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredient or bulk drug. They use planning and organizing skills in every activity planned and performed in manufacturing operations and to achieve resource optimization. They communicate about details of work done to appropriate people and during interaction with regulatory inspectors and other teammates. They apply problem solving skills to find solution for workflow related difficulties. They apply critical thinking skills to analyze and identify when to report an issue or concern to the supervisor and to deal with a colleague individually, depending upon the type of concern. They use critical thinking skills in analyzing the impact of deviations, wastage, and rejects to the environment and efficiency, compliance, and cost. They apply decision making while making necessary adjustments in parameter to achieve quality specifications. They apply customer centricity while responding to auditors and QA personnel. Now, let's move to the possible career progression after completing this course. The next role in the career of production machine operator in life sciences is production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredient, production chemist, life sciences, API, non-sterile formulations, sterile formulations, Ayush, sanitary napkin, production supervisor, junior chemist API, chemical manufacturing, packaging, machine operator specialist pharma, junior manager pharma production, production process specialist pharma, manager pharma production, production process expert pharma, section head pharma production, plant head pharma production, and unit head pharma production. Now we will discuss about the workplace environment of production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredient, API or bulk drug. Production machine operator, API or bulk drug is employed in factories licensed for manufacturing of API, bulk drug products. The work environment for production machine operator, API or bulk drug is safe from any contamination as the clean room protocols are applied in every area of manufacturing and packaging. The facilities are controlled strictly for health, safety and hygiene, free from insects and properly cleaned. The temperature is maintained in the facility according to the quality of the product. The facility is also well maintained with equipment present to carry the manufacturing and packaging of products. The factory should be large with proper lighting and the surface should be properly cleaned. Now, you have very well understood about the job role of production machine operator, active pharmaceutical ingredients or bulk drug. And you must probably have question in your mind, how will you enroll in this course? The first step is to visit LSSDC website, that is Life Sciences Sector Skill Development Council website. Go to Affiliated Center tab, identify center near to your location for this course, then reach out to coordinate for further details on the number given and you will get the details about the batch start date and about the fees.